Hello traders, and welcome to this week's market outlook from Exness. I'm Michael Stark, financial content leader, and in this video I'm going to be giving an idea for a trade over the next few days, the narratives that might drive the movement and what traders who were to take the position would need to be aware of in terms of news and data. Before that though, let's look back at the performance of last week's idea. Last week's idea was a possible buy for dollar yen from the area around 150.5 with a possible target around 152 or higher. That idea was fully accurate with the price reaching up to 153 in the couple of days after publication of the video. Now the focus for this week is also on Japan, but this time for the index, the Nikkei 225. We can see that recently the index has made a new all-time high and then moved down fairly significantly amid news or rumours of possible new tariffs and started to make some recovery. And that recovery might continue with the price not currently being in overbought, and it might reach back to the all-time high around 49,000 and possibly in the further future extend further up above that. Some of the most important narratives that might drive JP225 up are political developments in Japan, the overall narrative of the weekend, and generally reasonably strong recovery of indices after latest rumours of tariffs. However, traders would need to be aware of possible upcoming updates to tariffs and increased rhetoric around trade wars. This week, traders are focusing primarily on the possibility for the Bank of Japan to call for a hike at the end of October, with several senior members of the Bank of Japan's executive board meeting and giving comments. Traders are also looking ahead next week to relevant earnings from major constituents of the Nikkei. In summary, the idea for a trade this week is a possible buy for the Nikkei 225 with the target possibly around 49,000 or higher. Primary narratives in view are trade wars, the weak yen, and the general relatively strong recovery of indices from the recent downturn. What traders would need to be aware of primarily is the discussion and points from central bankers from Japan and also earnings in the further future. Please remember that it's just an idea for a trade, it's not a signal, it's not a guarantee of success. You should always manage risk and do your own research.